Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 3, Simba 1. I'm joined by Mr. Mutau.
Steve kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Not Muda wa team, Muda wa team Sandan one.
He's gone.
This is the original one.
Yes. The original Mudau.
Yeah, was.
Yeah.
This is the brand.
Yes.
Yeah. Even a cap Muda.
Yeah. Retain.
Okay.
Retain.
Tibo.
Yeah.
Ish. Congratulations to Stellenbosch.
Yes.
For reaching the group stages.
Yes.
Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
For reaching the group stages.
Yes.
Please guys, don't disturb me.
Yes.
Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
For reaching the group stages.
Yes.
Yeah. So my message to these three teams.
Yes.
They reach the group stages, né?
Yes.
So at least they must come out maybe almost semi-final, quarter-final, or final.
Yes.
Sundown last time they lose on final.
Yeah.
So this season they must take it.
Yes.
Né?
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs, Confederation Cup group stages, they must until reach the semi-final.
Yeah.
Stellenbosch also they must go to the final.
Yes.
for this thing, and it's going to help Bafana to players to grow and experience. Né? So which means those teams with the Sundown and they're going to take the CAF this season. To have a star number 2.
Yes.
So which means now me I'm going to take the league the better way.
Yes.
Ne? So I don't want to take too much okay because I'm out, ne? I'm out, so I must focus on the Betway Premiership.
Yes.
Ne? Ne? Steve. Mina sengitholile M28 manje ngise ngiyadlala Tuesday ngo calling Blake wona.
Yamuzwa thini?
Ukhila kudala iChiefs idlala wabathini iConfederation Cup.
Yeah.
Steve, Paris, we play for the big fish. The big fish is CAF Champions League.
Between Pirates and the Chiefs, yipi afika ku final ku CAF. Eyagcina ukufika ku final.
The last. Oh, it's Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, iChiefs. Yeah. Uthi mthi ibhola wayilandelela uyu.
Manje uyobuyela nini ku CAF ngoba ngathi bakurobhile lapha yana.
Steve.
Ecabanga uwinile lo muntu. Stay home. Mara waphuma.
Steve, yesterday we spoke about this thing. A lot of teams, people, they were right Paris off. Yesterday we showed the character. We come back from 3-0 down to 3-3.
Yes.
So penalties, Steve, is individual brilliant. Ne? How your techniques to take the penalties. You see? Ukila manje singamnikeza penalty. Sathi ayikhona ne. Uze again.
Shano khune la.
Yeah, amesa ngikhona ne. Ukhona KG I'm sure if I'm not mistaken. Understand? Yeah. Umisile kukhune. Ne.
Ngitshela into ewa.
Athi kill.
Into engiyibonile mina lapha yana. Ngathi iPirates ne mele bazama ukuthi mayishaya ama penalty. Bathathe le pala elingale. Angithi kunepali ngapha nangapha bathathe lelinye bali extend la ngoba ngibonile ngathi bawashaya ngale inyawo zitshekile bayashaya ngale.
Okay, Steve, okay, Steve, if Leza wants to speak about it. Yesterday the penalties ne. Jenny Otto ne, the last penalty when he missed.
Yeah.
When Vets was still in the PSL. Yeah. I'm just 2013 or 2012. Oh. The last penalty Jenny Otto he missed. So yesterday he was scoring all the penalties. No, yesterday mess. So Steve, ngicela ungena ku game le Chiefs le. Ngicela ungena kule Chiefs le. Ngicela ungena kule game Chiefs. Steve, today I'm very happy to see the Chiefs the way they played. Ulilepo played very well. Ogadaro. He played very well.
Yeah.
And also, Mduchawala, just number 7. I like the way he played today.
Yeah.
Which means that thing that for him to be called to a fan, it brings his confidence back.
Yes,
you see here when he played.
Yeah.
When with the ball, Kasi Flavor, and also Mlungu, Gross, Kasi Flavor is what we needed, Steve.
Yeah.
We missed this thing long time ago, so we need this thing to come back. And I'm very happy for Chiefs to bring back the game here. Because Steve, yesterday was Orlando, today I was here. I never spent 50 rand to come to the both two games.
Yes.
It's 10 rand to go to Orlando.
Yes.
10 rand to come here.
Yes.
So 20 rand. You see?
And umnani.
Oh, umnani. So not drive love. No, not Plugwane.
FNB.
Lava. nabo mara bastart ngikhuluma igama le how much petrol yokele mara bastart
full time.
Mina was happy because iball is a gas.
Yes.
I want to we enjoy.
Yes.
So still about the play because we're going to play Sundown on Saturday.
Yeah.
At the moment, the ticket for that game, Sundown is still holding them.
Yeah.
They are not out yet. What they waiting for? And we know that this game they turn to Loftus. Now Jiggy they're taking back to Atteridgeville. And they very well. They know very well that Atteridgeville is not ready for the big matches. That's the damn guys. It's worse. It's better. It's worse. Steve, that is the term is worse. They're supposed to take that game maybe to Polokwane Stadium or to bring it to here. Yeah, Steve, isn't it?
Or is the corruption?
Steve, now as we're waiting for the tickets. We want to go to the games, but the tickets are still they're holding. I don't know where. Huh?
Still monkeys.
No, Baba. People they get paid 25.
If you are visitor,
Monday tomorrow, most part they're going to get paid.
Okay.
If you are my visitor,
Yes.
no matter go over the garage or purchasing, swimming pool, amorela.
Yeah.
Also visitor way.
Yeah.
What's got khatela ro nyoko robala? Just how so.
I never tlo le jwetsa ka home game ya lona.
Okay, Steve.
Steve,
we know that game is very, very important to us, the parents.
Yes.
Because if we beat them, we're tied with the points, 21-21 with them.
Yes.
But they must stop playing the money games. Steve. The ticket must be out so that everyone can buy freely. We don't want to go to ShopRite or wherever and then this machine of ShopRite jammed because of the queue. You see, they must give us time to buy it. So, Steve, congratulations for the Chiefs for reaching these group stages. At least all the process is out. But I've got my neighbor. He's still in the CAF Conference Cup. We're going to see them. Thank you, Steve.
The time they took us from Orlando to Soccer City, did he mention it?
Which game?
Last season.
2-1. We mentioned.
Not wrong. Never mentioned wrong.
Steve, even us, when we go to Loftus, we change on the bus. They know these people.
What about you passing?
Ground.
Bakhala basaya. Korji razi o se tsatse ba di result tsa. O se tsa khala saya. Oh, khosi ba le balle ka arla le lena ba sa.
Steve, Saturday I'm going to make sure that this coach of Sundown is fired. I'm going to beat them. That's all that I know.